evening and welcome to News Station 205.
Where today's top and breaking news is right at your fingertips.
First on the list, 33 days, 18 hours, 10 minutes, and 3 seconds until Santa comes to town.
Today is a sad day here at Purdue University. Melanie Barnes failed another Biology 205 exam and therefore decided to walk under the bell tower. As a result, she will now spend another full year here.
Now, Jill, on to a more serious note. Our country is being devastated by the growth of urbanization caused by deforestation.
Deforestation is clearing Earth's forests on a massive scale, often resulting in damage to the quality of the land. Forests still cover about 30% of the world's land area, but swaths the size of Panama are lost each and every year. At this rate, in just a short 100 years, the world's rainforest could vanish. This just in.
Breaking news!
We're now going to go live on scene with News Station 205 reporter Lauren Wagner at Purdue University's Hort Park.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Lauren Wagner, reporter from News Channel 205 here at Horticulture Park, where behind me you can see a local protest going on to save the trees. I'm going to be discussing some questions with this lady behind us. Follow me. Excuse me, do you have time for some questions?
Yes, I do.
Okay, exactly what is your purpose here today?
I'm trying to accomplish the elimination of deforestation.
Okay, very interesting. And now, since we're at Purdue, are you possibly a student here?
I am a student. I'm a sophomore.
Very nice. And is there any classes you are taking that could relate to this topic?
I'm taking a class that's Biology 205. It's elementary education related.
Thank you. And so what exactly have you learned in your Bio 205 class that relates to deforestation?
I've learned about density-independent limiting factors.
Okay, and what is the definition for density-independent limiting factors?
It is an effect that does not depend on the number of organisms in a given area, like natural disasters. Even though deforestation isn't a natural disaster, it still does not depend on the number of organisms in the given area.
Is there any more terms that you have learned in your Bio 205 class that also relate to deforestation?
Yes, we've learned about secondary succession.
Okay, and what does secondary succession have to do with deforestation?
Secondary succession is a sequence of stages in a badly disturbed community, and after a natural disaster or major human interference, secondary succession occurs.
Oh, okay, and it takes about 100 years, right?
Yes, which is...
So are there any solutions for those at home viewing that you could suggest to help eliminate deforestation?
Oh, I have lists and lists, but I'll just give you a few. You could become a tree hugger like myself. You could create wildlife sanctuaries, help out your local legislation. You could do low-impact agriculture activities. You can clean and protect your parks near. This will draw tourists, creating employment and revenue. And you also can recycle. Oh no, I hear a tractor coming. I need to report back to my post. Save the tree.
Thank you again for your time. This is great advice to the severe issue of deforestation. I really appreciate that, and I know you at home will also. Well, that's all for On Scene. Back to you, Jill and Kayla in the station. I'm Lauren Wagner for News Channel 205, reporting live.
So Kayla, what are the causes of deforestation?
Well, Jill, there are 3 major causes of deforestation. The first being population growth. More people equals more inhabited land. More inhabited land equals more deforestation. The second major cause of deforestation is urbanization, clearing land for human use, such as housing additions and farmland. But Jill, the biggest concern for deforestation is simply agriculture. So Jill, what are the effects of deforestation?
Well, Kayla, there are 4 effects of deforestation. The first being soil erosion. Roots of the tree hold the soil together. No trees equal no beneficial soil. The second effect is floods. Trees take in the water from rain, and without trees, the water would freely flow. The third effect is drought. If all water goes away in form of floods, lack of usable water leads to drought. And lastly, the fourth effect is depletion of biodiversity. No shelter equals animals go bye-bye.
folks, that's all we have for our 6 o'clock news. See you again at 11.
This just in.
Breaking news!
We're now going to go on scene with news station 205 reporting.
Interesting. So also for the home viewers, are there any suggestions that you could suggest to help eliminate deforestation?
Oh, there's many.
Don't do
I could
it.
go on for